Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw an abstract painting of a dancing couple. So let's do the drawing with the charcoal one. This is going to be the legs of the boy. He is wearing a black pants. Okay, so you can see that the very taller and longer legs. It's a dancing position. Then we can see that a blue shirt he is wearing. All right, so blue shirts and the hands like this. All right, and this way you can see another hands. Okay, all right, so blue hands. For the head I can put this nice color. This is the head. All right, this is another head of a girl, and she's wearing a nice dress of a pink color. Let's see, the top is pink, and the gown under it, it's going to be the purple. Purple gown, as you can see. And the hands, these are going to be purple too. Another hands, you can see here, this is to the upward direction. All right, for the legs, again we're going to draw that red color. And another legs coming up from this side, crossing the previous one, and you can see this is up to the bottom. So this is the actually the symbolic presentation. Now we're going to put the borders. So let's do the border for the hands. Here you can see this is nice. Another border let's put here for the hands. You can see the border. All right, also another border coming up this way. Make the darker inside. All right, now we need a dark red color for the border of the tops and other parts. So let's put the border here. Okay, for the legs you can see that putting the borders. All right, for the boy we are going to outline the border. For the black one, let's put the black pencil in action, and the border is almost done. This is the right legs, and we're going to draw the left leg here. All right, For the upper body part, let's put the border here. You can see the hands and the dancing motions. Those are like the wave pattern. And for the head, you can see the abstract drawing like this. I'm just putting all over it. And in the bottom, let's put the shades of each legs boy and for the girl, so you can see the reflections. All right, so nice dancing style. Let's adjust the frame. All right, so this is a nice presentation. You can do practice, and thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Have a good day.